Greetings, Atari fans. I've got a quick video to show you today because I came across an interesting version of Donkey Kong that's been slightly modified. It has music included in the game and also some upgraded sound effects. Now I have it here on my Ultimate Cart. Let me get in here. It's an XEX file, by the way. So I came across this as I was playing around with the cartridge today. And you can see here it's called Donkey Kong Arcade 7.4, and then in parentheses it has intro. I don't know what that file name means, if it has any significance, but somebody modified this at some point. I don't know who, but I'm going to load it up and show you what I found is different with it than the stock cartridge, which I've been playing for years. So the first thing you'll notice is you can hear that music playing in the background, okay? That's new. That music was never there in the original Atari version of the Donkey Kong. So I thought that was pretty cool. But then as I started playing it, for example, when I hit start here, this intro was never part of the original game, and it sounds just like the arcade. Very cool. That music there in between the screens has also been upgraded. The other thing I noticed that's been upgraded is his jump. And I'm going to go back and show you the stock game. We're going to listen to it and see the difference. But the jump has been changed. The other thing I noticed is when Kong beats his chest and he growls, on some of the screens it's different. There, hear that music in between? That's been upgraded. This little bit of change in the sound effects and the music makes the game so much better, in my opinion, because it makes it closer to the arcade feel of playing the game. And at the end of the day, that's what you want. You want it to be as close to the arcade as possible. So it was really exciting when I don't know, like I said, I don't know where this version came from. If anybody out there knows, you know, who did this, I'd really like to know. I'd like to reach out to them and give them a big kudos. I'll show you here once I finish this level. There's some upgraded sound effects when Kong falls to his death, or to his, not to his death, but his getting hurt. That beating right there, that's been upgraded as well. You hear the sound effects? So just real quick, let me go into the stock game. Now you notice there's no music, okay? And also you'll notice when I start the game, that intro doesn't exist. Hear the jump sound, how cheesy it is on the factory game? And the more I play it, the more I find subtle differences, little things that they've added or changed. Me not getting killed is one of them. But it's just refreshing to when they go back in and modify a game and make it just a little bit better, newer techniques that have been learned, newer exploits of the Atari that have been, oh, I'm not even going to try and click. Horrible. So I hope you enjoyed that quick video. I always love when developers modify these old games and make them better, closer to the arcade. So on another note, I got rid of all of the ads for every video on my channel. So now you can enjoy watching the videos with no commercials. That monetization is a joke. YouTube doesn't pay squat, okay? It's like pennies. So rather than do monetization, I figured, let's let everybody watch the videos without commercials. And what I'm going to do, for those that want to really support the channel a little bit more, is I'm going to create a couple different levels of membership that you can join. The first level will be like 99 cents per month. The second level will be like $5 per month. There will be various perks for each level. Some of the things I'm thinking about are live stream broadcasts, live stream programming, marathons, or repairathons. Some of the other things I do, I'm not sure if you guys know it or not, but sometimes people send me equipment that needs to be upgraded or repaired. I don't charge for my time or my effort doing that. I do charge for the shipping, you know, back to the viewer, but it's just one of those things I like to do, so take advantage of it. If you have something that needs to be repaired or upgraded, email me, contact me, and we'll work something out where you can send it to me and I'll perform the upgrade for you or the repair. With that being said, I'm using the new mechanical keyboard, guys. It's amazing. I'm working on the video right now, and I hope to have that done in the next week or so. It's really awesome. It's really great for programming too. So look out for that. But in any event, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.